Morning, friends. It's time for math. Today is Tuesday. I hope you're having a great day. Mrs. Hoffman made this video one time this morning and it was too long, so I needed to do it again and shorten it. So I want you to look for, this is the first page you're going to look for. It's page 239. So today you're going to do this page. You're going to do the page on the back of that. You're going to do the page next to it, and then the page on the very back. Mine's already written on because I tried this once and it didn't work. So we're going to go back to the first page. So today you're going to do a lot of addition and subtraction problems. So let's talk about what do we remember about an addition sign. So when we see the addition sign, it's a straight line down with a line across. That's the addition sign. And remember, when we do it in class, Mrs. Hoffman puts her arms out and we say we have one group of things that we're putting together and another group of things, we're putting them together to make a bigger group. So the plus sign helps us remember if we're standing straight and tall and we're standing with our arms out. That is the plus sign. So you're going to do some addition problems first. And remember, you can use your hands, your fingers to do addition. So if you're going to do the first addition problem says 5 plus 5. So you're going to get 5 fingers on one hand, 5 fingers on the other hand, and you're going to put them together and count them. We don't have to count those because we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So your first equation is 5 plus 5 equals 10. The next one says 3 plus 4. So you could get 3 fingers plus 4 fingers and put them together and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4 equals 7. And you will write it in there. So I want you to work on these addition problems all by yourself. You can draw circles. You can use your fingers. And then I want you to do the dot to dot right here. Start with number 1, make a straight line and go to number 2, straight line and go to number 3 until you're all finished and you can color it. Then I want you to turn the page over. At the top there's some more addition problems. Try those all by yourself. See if you can do it. You can use your fingers, you can draw pictures, draw circles. Then on the bottom, right here, you're going to do subtraction. So when we think of subtraction, the subtraction sign is just a straight line. So remember when Mrs. Hoffman puts her hand in front of her body and we are taking something away from a group. So we're going to make the group smaller. So if you have a subtraction equation, the first one says 5 minus 4. If you want to use your hands, remember, you only use one hand when we're taking things away. We don't ever take things away starting with any more than 5. So it says 5 minus 4. So I'm going to put my other hand behind my back. And I have 5 fingers, and I'm going to take 4 fingers away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 1 left. So we know that 5 minus 1 equals 4. So I want you to do that. Do all the addition and subtraction problems. You can do these on the bottom. And then have someone in your family look at those and say, can you check and make sure if my answers are correct? Then you're going to do these story problems. You're going to need a mom or dad or grandma and grandpa to help you with them. Remember, we find the important parts of the story. The math story says, this first one says, there are 3 red apples and 6 green apples. So I know the first important number is number 3. It tells me I have 3 red apples. I'm going to draw my 3 circles. The next important part of that story is 6. 6 green apples. Here are my 6 green apples. How many in all? That means how many all together. I'm going to count them. and write the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 red apples plus 6 green apples is 9 altogether. Do this one by yourself. Turn your page over. Here are some shapes. Some shapes are flat, like a pancake. Some shapes are not flat. They are three-dimensional. So you're going to have an adult or a big brother or sister help you answer these questions. I'm going to cover the answers up. So today, lots of your math, you're going to need someone to check to see that you did it correctly. And then if you did, take some pictures of what you did and show me. Thanks, friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.